pretty. They're really pretty.
Yeah. This is a special breed. There's a special, they have a special, their beef is really special. With it. It's your sister. Here.
Am I able to pet him?
Oh, sure, come on over. This is my pet that I raised.
Oh.
My baby. He's spoiled rotten. I used to lead her with a rope. Jerry'd be chasing her around the yard because she'd get loose on us. We'd be on the road with the
They're like, what is that thing over there again?
What?
We're always seeing them from so far away.
Oh,
You
yeah.
never get the feel of how big they actually are, you
This
know?
one's spoiled rotten. And if we need to do it, yeah, oh, quit. And then the cats go
They're
in.
like spoiled rotten.
Oh yeah, they are. She's just so
She
skinny
doesn't know
little
she's a,
cow.
she doesn't know she's a cow.
She's what? No, she doesn't. She thinks she's a human. She can't figure out why she has to do these adventure beings.
Look at, there's a little that one right there, just to have fun with her on the road.
I know.
With whatever the Violet, she just chase her around.
Up all over your clothes. I like you. You're nice. I'll clean your clothes for you.
Well, I'm on video. I'm on
Yeah.
camera.
I'm gonna be a movie star.
But just don't show Bill Gates that. I'm gonna live yet.
Yeah.
He might retire me too early.
No.
Oh, well, there's strings. Oh, boy.
Oh yeah, I should probably untie your shoes. Oh. There's nothing in there. It's gonna break my
There's-
hand.
Look at Jack.
Doesn't know it's
He's
my
bored.
There's nothing.
But I know someplace I was born for this. I was
Yeah, that's right.
born
Sticking her
for
tongue in
this.
her
But
mouth.
See, this is the way the whole field looks like.
You take them, and you can get them, break them up, and then they'll go. You can actually see the wheat. Can you get them apart, Jerry?
This is what the whole field was like.
Yeah.
And now it's what we did. We put alfalfa seed
That's our
underneath,
A underneath.
and actually that's a lagoon.
And then it offers a lot of, is it nitrogen?
No, it's a lagoon like salad.
Yeah,
It's
but it still offers, helps order.
see what you do is this.
Just sell them and sell them.
Yep. You can eat it. It's a lagoon. It's a lagoon. There's no spray on it. It's just
And people
you
actually
sell it.
buy this.
Alfalfa sprouts. Yeah, you sell it. No spray. That's when we do stuff. See, we have wheat, and then there's the initial.
There you go, now you got it.
See, that's the way the wheat will look.
And it's called wheat berries.
And you can eat that?
Sure. That's what people do is they grind it up.
Here, and then just put some in there. It's good. You chew it and chew it and chew it. And it kind of makes like a little paste.
That's wheat. That's flour. That's considered whole wheat.
Yep.
100%.
There you go.
But see, this is the new
Fix it
alfalfa
up,
now
fix it up.
for next year.
He's free.
That's
rolling around.
That's how the whole wheat field will look. Like, you know, like the whole thing will look. Then we swap down and that's the whole thing was like that.
They're beautiful.
So that's, you know, something, so we understand something. White cows' lives matter. We're not trying to be racist here.
And the poor bull, when we got him, he's blind and what's wrong with him? His ears froze.
We're renting him. He's registered, I think, but he's got, when he was born about a year and a half ago, the guy said his ears, when it was too cold,
His ears froze.
he licked them off and then the ears froze off.
Hey
and they
there.
were too cold. And he got a little bit-
Goodness.
She's goofy. She's just she thinks she has no idea she's a cow.
She's sweet.
She's always been raised with humans.
Now this is organic wheat also.
This one they have just on one side and circle around and go out. There's nothing. He can come in here. This is good. and that winter was so cold. This was our calf warmer, and we put boards across the top, and then we had heat lamps, and that's the only way we could keep them alive. So they all lived in here. Oh, there's Harry. I know Harry. There's a dog. Pretend he isn't here. Harry hates dogs. This is from our paint project. So this is where now, this used to be just all dirt. And so we put all cement in here. And then when we were dairying, then the cows would all come in here and stand, go through there, go back out, and then we'd move them to another barn. And this is where we store all of our, we have somebody that does spare bales, so now it's our calf barn. So all the calves that used to be over there brought over here. They're all weaned. I think the baby, I call them my babies. Let's see what they're doing now. Hi, Scooter. She's old, so she'll be slaughtered. And then the one at the end is she calved really late in June. And these are all the calves. Right? Right, guys? You ate already, so you're not going to get any more. And that's our water for them. It's heated, so in the winter they can drink all time. Hi. Did you
Take a little one?
dog?
Sure.
Oh, no, come here.
You're right out of the garden.
That carrot's so good.
Right out of the garden.